How to earn money on YouTube. 1. Set up and construct your YouTube channel. Your channel is your private presence on YouTube. Each YouTube account has one channel connected to it. A YouTube account is similar to a Google account, and growing a YouTube account will provide you get admission to the different Google products, consisting of Gmail and Drive. Create your account or use your current one. Add key phrases to assist humans locate your channel. You can upload key phrases through navigating to the advanced phase of your channel settings. Make certain that your key phrases are applicable on your content material. Your person call also can paintings for or towards you. If it is short, smooth to do not forget, and original, humans could be extra apt to do not forget you. However, in case you are the use of an current account, you may usually alternate your username through enhancing it to your Google Plus account. Keep in mind, you may handiest alternate your person call 3 instances at most earlier than you need to wait 90 days to alternate it again. 2. Add content material. Try to add content material this is excessive quality, and is not exquisite long. This choice can range relying on what kind of content material you make a decision to add. Also try and add frequently and live constant together along with your uploads. Even in case your content material is not remarkable at first, maintain at it. Practice makes perfect. Try to make every video higher than the last. You will regularly analyze as you go. Improve your content material through both the use of a higher digital digicam or attempting higher enhancing software program or techniques. Also try and enhance the manner matters are filmed. Use a tripod, have a chum assist you or mild your scenes higher. It all enables for a higher quit product which in flip enables you get a higher target market. If you do not need to shop for vibrant white lights, you may take a seat down close to a sunny window, or do it outside. By importing frequently you may assist maintain and target market. People are much more likely to subscribe in case you upload content material on ordinary agenda, and preserve that agenda as a whole lot as possible. Make certain to tag your movies with key phrases that describe the content material, in addition to an attention-grabbing description. These will assist force humans on your video from YouTube searches. 3. Gain and target market. Building and target market is prime to growing your monetization. You want humans to look at your commercials that allows you to make any cash off of them. There isn't any one mystery to getting extra subscribers, simply make the high-quality content material that you may and they may come to you. Sometimes there could be haters, so that you simply need to forget about them. If you need to thrive, you need to be confident. Keep importing content material and try and get humans hooked. Send your video out on Twitter and Facebook. Share it with humans. Distribute it some other place at the internet. Subscribers are vital to turning into a partner. Interact together along with your visitors through responding to feedback and making occasional movies immediately associated with viewer feedback and questions. Connecting together along with your network will carry extra participants into that network. One true manner to do this is quite simple: shout-outs. 4. Monetize your videos. In order to begin being profitable to your movies, you may want to allow monetization. This manner you're permitting YouTube to vicinity commercials for your video. This additionally manner which you well known that there's no copyrighted fabric for your video. Go to www.youtube.com and click on My Channel at the webpage. Click the hyperlink called Video Manager at the pinnacle bar. Click Channel and enable on monetization. 5. Meet the requirements. You want as a minimum 4,000 watch hours within the preceding 12 months and 1,000 subscribers to begin being profitable. You can monetize a video because it uploads through clicking the monetization tab and checking the Monetize with Ads box. To monetize a video after it's been uploaded, open your video manager and click on the $signal subsequent to the video which you need to monetize. Check the Monetize with Ads box. 6. Set up Google AdSense. You can installation Google AdSense without spending a dime on the AdSense internet site. Click the Sign Up Now button to start growing your account. You should be 18 years or older to create your personal account. If you're more youthful than that, you may want an grown-up to assist you. You want both PayPal or a financial institution account and a legitimate mailing code in addition to different records so AdSense can affirm who you're and who to ship the cash to. You handiest benefit cash in line with advert click on and a smaller quantity in line with view, however it provides up over time. This is why having an target market is prime. 7. Check your analytics. Once you've got a few movies online, monetized, and being viewed, you may test out the analytics on them to look how they're performing. Click the Analytics choice for your channel menu. Here you may view expected earnings, advert performance, video perspectives, demographics and extra. Use those gear to look how your content material is resonating together along with your target market. You can alternate your content material or your advertising and marketing in case you're locating which you are not attracting the customers which you need to. 8. Market your movies some other place. Don't place your movies simply on YouTube. Start a blog, make an internet site or put up them on different video or social media sites. The extra perspectives it gets, the higher. By sharing the hyperlink or embedding the video at the internet, you're growing the danger of it getting noticed. 9. Become a YouTube partner. YouTube partners are YouTube participants who've monetized movies with a massive quantity of visitors. Partners benefit get admission to extra content material advent gear, and may win prizes for the quantity of visitors they have. Partners additionally get admission to a whole lot extra network aid and tips. You can observe for YouTube partnership at any time via the YouTube partner page. In order to benefit get admission to the maximum effective partner programs, you want to have 15,000 cumulative watch hours in your channel over the past 90 days.